what to expect from this subject. I thought it might be useful to provide you all with an overview of what to expect in this unit, particularly in relation to the use of the unit notes, the tutorials, and also your communications with me as your lecturer and also as the unit coordinator. I wanted to start off by saying that I am a very big believer, particularly in the context of a law degree, that whilst theory is extremely important, it is equally as important to be able to apply the theory to a set of facts and draw a conclusion. At the end of the day, if you are going to practice as a solicitor, you need to be able to provide your clients with advice. I'm also a big believer in exposing students to the realities of practicing law. The 2 assessment tasks are designed to introduce you to tasks that you may encounter in practice and also to hone your ability to apply the law to a set of facts and draw a conclusion. The unit notes that have been provided, I really want to stress, are a starting point. It is essential that in addition to reading the unit notes, you complete the prescribed readings in your textbooks. And I also strongly encourage you to undertake your own research, to expand on the notes provided, and to really consolidate your learnings. Again, I really strongly encourage you all to read the cases. Some of the reference readings that I've included, again, I strongly recommend that you do read through all of the reference readings. I have tried to include very recent and up-to-date cases so that you can see the principles and the laws that we're discussing in each unit play out in real life. So you get a little bit more of a taste again for that daily practice and the issues that we face as solicitors. My expectation is that you do at least read 1 or 2 of the reference readings. I think it will absolutely assist with your understanding of the unit material, and again, it will allow you to flesh out those unit notes. From a practical perspective, again, in day-to-day practice, you will be required to stay abreast of developments in the law, and no doubt you will come across things that you haven't dealt with before. So engaging in this independent study whilst you're still at university will really assist with the transition into becoming a practicing legal professional. With respect to the tutorials are a really great time to raise any questions and to discuss any matters of interest that you might have come across. Now, trust me, I appreciate that everyone is busy and that there are going to be times when you haven't had the opportunity to perhaps complete the tutorial questions or to finish your readings in a particular week. But I just wanted to say that shouldn't stop you from attending the tutorials. Now, what I will say, and this is feedback that I've received in the past, I don't think it's particularly useful or good use of anyone's time for me to just sit there and regurgitate an answer that I've prepared earlier. I really expect that if you are going to attend the tutorials, that you participate and provide some thoughts. Tutorials are meant to be a safe space to work with me and to work with your peers to really consolidate your learnings. I will warn you, I don't like sitting in silence, so on occasion I will ask students directly to contribute thoughts just to get the conversation and ideas flowing. This shouldn't alarm or cause you concern if you don't have anything to say on the subject matter or you haven't had a chance to consolidate your own thinking. That's fine. Just say, hey Arabella, don't have much to contribute here, sorry. Absolutely fine. So please don't let not having done the readings or not having prepared an answer to a question stop you from coming and engaging. Finally, I am in practice and work full time, so that does mean that the best way to contact me is going to be via email. I will ask, where possible, please don't send me direct messages within Teams. I might miss those because I won't be checking the Teams chat as much as I will be checking and have access to my emails. I usually try and have a reply to emails within the 48-hour window. Naturally, if the matter is urgent, please bring it to my attention and I will do my best to respond ASAP. Naturally, if you want to speak to me personally, we can arrange a mutually convenient time for me to give you a call. Thanks.